Hello everyone. I'll teach you how to import the PLT file in CAD Marker. First, click File here and find the PLT file. This selection refers that the width and height of the PLT file are less than the set value and will be deleted. You can give it to Remove. If no problem, click OK. Check whether the total, length, width are the same as the actual one. If same, can go to the next step. If different, reopen. Here select Data Unit according to the actual needs to adjust. Click OK.